Hello, Jeremy here with Stellar Sky Systems, and we're going to go over downloading the app and getting that set up. So the first thing we need to do is download the app. So if we have this sheet here, there's a QR code for a link to the app. So you can see our phone pops. Let's view that in the App Store. This is the app that you need. It'll take you to that app, and so go ahead and download that. I've already downloaded it, so we're going to go ahead and open it. And then we're going to scan a system QR code. And so we're going to go ahead and scan. If you notice my hands are over this picks this QR code up really quick. And there's one for an iPad and one for an iPhone. So we're going to use the one for an iPhone. So we're just going to do that real quick. And apparently the guy who programmed this is a genius, certified by the message you can type in. And we're going to get to our setup. And so the first field is the star type. You either have a night sky board, and if you just touch these, they'll light up blue. That means that one is selected. You have an aurora, or you have a hybrid board. And then if you have star panel enhancements installed, such as a falling star or constellation, you can check those on or off. And then if you have an ambience installed, you can go ahead and check that, and then check the address of the ambience, unless you want to do all zones, and then it'll hit every address. Let's go means it's time to go, and you're ready to go. If you made a mistake configuring your app, you can swipe the Stellar Sky Systems logo left to right from the S to the Y, and it'll bring up this setup screen again. In that case, you can say, I didn't have a hybrid, I had a night sky, or maybe I forgot to install the constellation. Check that because I had that enhancement added to the panel. Then you can click home again, and now you can see that you're on the night sky screen, and you have enhancements of constellations as well. If you have already downloaded the Centro app and you need to upgrade the template to our new hybrid version, what you may do is go ahead and close the app, and then go ahead into your system settings on your iPhone and go into Centro settings. And then if you go down to the advanced under project setup, you want to check the show system load screen. And that way you can go ahead and get out of that and then open the app again. And now it'll take you to the scanning QR code system. And so now you can rescan that QR code. It'll re-download a fresh copy of the project and you're good to go.